Alright guys, so one of the things, one of like the dreams that I always want to accomplish but never do, you know how that goes. It's like I wish I could play a full cover of all my favorite music, all the instruments and all the singing and rapping or whatever, but anyway, here's I'm just listening to 3 6 Mafia, Baby Mama, and I think I figured out the keyboard part. It could be wrong, but I'm just going to record it so that I don't forget it. And maybe I can finish making the whole cover another time. Alright, so... Is that one wrong? I can't do it at the same time. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty much it, so... I guess after that I gotta do the beat and just the rapping. So, guys, tell me if I'm wrong. I can usually figure songs out pretty close, but a lot of times I'll be off by just like a note or two. So, actually, I could use Audacity and there's like a function that lets you see what notes are being played in an audio sample. It's like the Fourier transform or something. So if I got really down to, I could do that, but let me know if this sounds right to you, because it's hard for me to tell if it's right or not. Like that part sounds right. I think that one's right. That one I'm not sure. So let me know what you think.